guys, this is Stephanie with Simply Chaotic. If you're watching this, you're one of the lucky ones we've chosen to perfect our new do-it-yourself lip balm kit. It comes with everything you need, including instructions, ingredients, and flavoring. We've also included a simple survey to fill out that we'd love to get back with any advice. Coming up, you'll see a short video of me making some of the do-it-yourself lip balms from your exact same box. We've included enough for you to spread the love. We really appreciate you doing this. Thank you so much.